Okay, today we're gonna look at parts of a sentence. So the first thing you have to do is find the simple and complete subjects. So the subject is who or what the sentence is about. It's always in the beginning of the sentence, so we know that it is your friends, which is our complete subject. Okay? Now we need to find our simple subject. Our simple subject would be one word inside our complete subject. So we have your and we have friend. Which word can be our simple subject? Is it mainly about yours? Is it mainly about friends? It's about friends, so that is our simple subject. Then we need to find the complete predicate. Well, the complete predicate is everything after the subject. So the whole rest of our sentence is our complete predicate. Okay? Now, after this, when you're in the complete predicate, you are trying to decide which word is our simple predicate. The simple predicate will always be the verb. So where's the verb? Well, the verb is left. So that is our simple predicate. We need to decide if our simple predicate is transitive or intransitive. Transitive meaning it's an action, it has a direct object. Intransitive means it's any type of verb and it does not have a direct object. So let's look at left. Does left have a direct object? Well, to find the direct object, we say the subject, we say the verb, and then we ask the question, what? Your friends left what? They left their skateboard. That's our direct object. So since there is a direct object, since this left is an action, this verb is transitive. Then we need to find if there is a prepositional phrase. Well, there's a prepositional phrase if there is a preposition. At is our preposition. So therefore, a prepositional phrase is at my house because it starts as our preposition and it goes to our first noun, which is house. That's our prepositional phrase. Inside our prepositional phrase is an object of a preposition, and that is the noun in the prepositional phrase. Is it at, my, or house? Which one of those words is a noun? House. So house is my object of a preposition. Then you have to look, so we did all of these here. Now we're looking at an appositive. An appositive is just another fancy word for a non-restrictive element. Is there any non-restrictive elements, extra information in the sentence? No, there is not. So, therefore, you are done. Use this to help you guide you for your sentence parts today.